YouTube. I just wanted to make a real quick video. I got to turn around here somewhere of the neighborhood that my daughter has a friend in. Check these fucking houses out. I took her out here once before, and I think the guy, when he seen me come walking up, I think he was about to point me to the lawnmower or something. This fucking neighborhood is full of mansions. Not sure, you know, if my phone is gonna capture the full enormity of these houses. These are fucking mansions. We are still in Detroit, but we're in an area of Detroit called Indian Village. That right there is the house that she's at. The one with the hedge and the big M on the gate. We're on Iroquois Street in Indian Village. Goethe, the name of this street. My vehicle is not out of place here. Oh, Jesus Christ. God damn, man. Fucking dog ran out chasing a goddamn squirrel. Jesus. I see the dog moving. That fucker didn't dent my car. No shit, man. There was a pit bull fucking chasing a squirrel. I just seen it at the last second. There was nothing I could do but hope I didn't hit it. And he fucking ran right into the side of the car. Jesus Christ. I didn't hit him with the tire. He head-butted the fucking car. Believe it or not, that is the second time that's happened to me in my life with a dog chasing a squirrel. Yeah, this is Van Dyke. And now we are in a completely different neighborhood. Quarter mile away, here we are. Fucking ghost town. That poor dog, man, that thing was walking around in circles. Dumbass. Yeah, that's what them people get, man, for leaving their dog out to run the streets. Fucking stupid-ass people. There's some lovely homes here. Amazing. The dichotomy of this area. You're either a fucking millionaire or you're a penniless crackhead. That's it, I'm signing up.